I think everything is good. Everything is hot. What's up? It's your boy Beats by J Black, and we're on the 4th Finger Drumming Academy workout video episode. And let me say, you guys are really showing the results. You guys are putting that work in, which I love to see. So today is going to be a little bit easier for us today. We're going to be doing some 3/4 triplets, but what's going to make it a little bit challenging is the speed. All right. So real quick, we're going back to the simple pad layout. Kick on pad 1, snare on pad 2. Hi-hat on 3 and 4. You know, I got a lower one and a higher one. Open hi-hat, kind of like a semi-open hi-hat, crash there, and I got my loop right there. But the main thing we're going to focus on is the drums. So let me go ahead and show you the one that we're working on, and then we'll go ahead and jump right into it. All you're gonna have to remember with this one is the triplet, 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 okay? So there's 2 ways we can play this. The advanced way is we're gonna be starting with our right hand, middle finger on that 7, index on the 3, middle on the 4, and then we're sliding back up with our middle finger back on the 7. So it's gonna look like a, let me do that slow. And then, like I said, as you say triplet, it's going to help you bring that rhythm alive. Triplet, 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 triplet. Another way of doing it is we're going to use our middle finger for the 7, index for the 3, and then another index for the 3 and back up to it. So now it's going to sound like a... And this is going to be a lot of an easier way. So there's 2 types of ways you can do it. I always say this is the advanced way because you have that louder 4, which kind of gives it that dynamic sound. It sounds like it's circling. But just for the sake of the triplet, you can simply. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to work on just the one with the 7 and the 3. And then we'll go ahead and work on the one with the 7, 3, 4. Okay. So that BPM is going to be 148. But for practice, we're going to go ahead and go to 120, just so we can get our hands used to what's going on, okay? So like I said, we got this right here. So we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, okay? And like I said, I got my right hand, middle finger hitting that 7, and I'm hitting the 3 twice with my index, okay? This time I want you guys to do it right along with me, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10, okay? So after we practice that one, now we're gonna work on the more advanced one. So like I said, right hand, middle finger on the 7, index on the 3, middle on the 4, and then we're sliding back up with our middle finger on the 7, okay? So it's gonna look like this. I like that way a little bit better because it has a little bit more swing to it, okay? It's like a di-di-di-di-di-di-di-di-di, you know? You can still get that swing with the 7 and 3 too, but I think just because of that variation of the velocity of the pads, you know, this being the lower one and the higher one, gives it more of an interesting sound. So let's go ahead and practice that one real quick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. And if you guys are not following along, go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so now that we have that down, the kick and the snare is a real easy part. All it is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And all I'm doing is left hand, middle finger on the 1, index finger on the 2, and all I'm doing is 1, and then 1 and 2 together. 1, then 1 and 2 together. So very simple. We really don't need to really practice that one. Like I said, very easy, just a 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? But what we want to do is bring them all together. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our simpler hi-hats first, then we'll move to the harder one. So this right here, starting on our 1, that 1 and 7. Right here, this is my position. And now I'm looking at a 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay, so now we're going to play with the metronome, and I want you guys to follow with me. Like I said, left hand, middle finger on the 1, index on the 2, and I'm using my right hand, middle on that 7, index on that 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. All right. So now, if that one's still giving you some trouble, go ahead and rewind it back. You already know what to do. But now we're going to go ahead and move on to the more advanced version of that hi-hats, doing that same type of count, okay? And just a quick refresher, 7, 3, 4, back to the 7, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. So triplet, 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 triplet. Okay, so this one's going to be kind of a short lesson because that's pretty much it, and all we're going to do is add the melody. Now, before we add the melody, let's go ahead and practice it real quick with the correct BPM, and I believe the BPM is 148. So we're going to bring our BPM to 148. We're just going to break it down one by one again until it feels comfortable. So it's a little bit faster. So before we go there, we're just going to do the hi-hats. And we're going to start with the simple version, 7 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. You guys ready to practice with me? Let's go. Let's try it again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. Woo, my hands are on fire. And yours should be too. If that one gives you some trouble, practice that one. Like I said, you could just honestly use that one by itself. But if you want to get more of that advanced sound, let's go ahead and add that 7, 3, 4, okay? So let's go ahead and we're gonna try it together. Well, let me go ahead and warm it up for you. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 10. Whew. Yeah, that one's a hand burner. That one is a hand burner. But like I said, I'm really anxious to see you guys do this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add our kick and snare with that. Remember that kick and snare is just a 1, 2, 3, 1. That's all it is. Real simple, keeping it simple. And when we start it, so. Right there. And we practice that until it feels good. Let's go. And once you start getting good, you can add those doubles. It's funny how it's hard to do it, to break that part down, but when you're in emotion, you're going to see what I mean. It just kind of comes almost like those paradiddles that we did, or those extra beats. They're going to fill into the pocket, okay? So, yeah, that pretty much wraps up this one. We're just going to go ahead and add that melody to it, and then that'll pretty much be it. So, real simple melody, one shot. We're not adding anything extra here, just to ride out right there. Believe it or not, I actually had this a little bit faster, and it was a little harder for me. So if you guys feel like you guys can do it faster, just go ahead and crank that semitone up. And I believe the next level will probably be, I think it's 158, 157, I think the BPM is. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go. Simple. You heard those doubles. You know, once your fingers are going to start automatically doing that. It's almost by accident, but it sounds good. It adds some character, some variation. And once you get into that groove, you'll see exactly what I mean. So yeah, let's do it one more time together, and that's going to be it. So we're going to start with the simple, and then we'll break it to the hard, and that's it. Hey, yo, pause. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1. Hey, hey. The main thing of this one is the pattern. And then, okay? I want you to get that down, because you can put this with any sample that's at that BPM. You can slow it down, bring it up. But yeah, man, I just wanted to give you guys this one. Episode 4, workout 4. And yeah, I really appreciate the videos. I appreciate the feedback. And like I said, these videos are only going to get better. I'm only thinking of ways to, you know, bring more tips and tricks to you guys, man. And like I said, this is bringing out that love and the mission of why I even do this. So, hey, man, let's keep going. Mission different. Jay Blackout, man. You guys be blessed. Have a good one.